So yon, good morning everyone. Good morning sir. My name is Reniel Renji Sumikyab, base IT 2B. So today I will going to show you how to install Python 4.1.7 Tony. Yun po. So first, you will go to Opera or any platform like Edge or Chrome, just like that. It depends on you what you want to use. So here we will going to type Tony, and we will going to scroll down, and makikita nyo po lang po itong free download. Pindutin nyo lang po yan and wait for a few seconds. And automatic na po siya mapupunta dito, and just click downloads and save. And once you na-save na po, punta lang po kayo dito sa folder, and then double click lang po itong once na i-double click nyo, okay, then welcome to Tony Download Manager. This will download Tony to your computer. Click next to continue. So next lang po natin yan, downloading your products, and meron po magpapakita na thank you for downloading Tony. Click on run to execute the downloaded file or later to do it yourself. So tayo gusto na natin i-run, so i-run na natin yan. And meron kayong choice dito na dalawa. It depends on you kung ano pong pipindutin nyo dyan, kasi parehas lang naman po sila. Now, welcome to using Tony. This wizard will install Tony 4.1.7 for all users. So next lang po natin yan. Next lang po natin. So yan, installing na po siya. Wait lang po natin a few seconds. Hindi naman po siya matagal. Once it's done, great success. Tony is now installed. Run it via shortcut or right click file and select edit with Tony. So finish, click lang po yung finish. And then once na na po natin, punta lang po tayo dito sa Windows and search lang natin Tony. Yan, meron na po. So ayun, once na gusto po natin mag-open ng ng page, ito po, Control N. Page ba? Or basta yun, tawag po dito. Ay, untitled. Kung gusto po natin mag-print, wag po kayong pala mag space kasi mag-error po siya. So we will print hello world. So try po natin muna siyang i-run, then ayun, nagpakita po dito sa baba is hello world. So once na magdagdag muna tayo ng isa pa. Pangalan natin. So ayun, try ulit natin i-run. And yun, gumana po siya. So kung gusto po natin siyang i-save, dito lang po, Control S, yung shortcut, pero tap na lang po natin, pindutin na lang po natin, then i-rename po natin. Wait, Sumikyab. Then save. Ayun po. Then kung gusto po nating makita kung saan po yung na-save natin, just click this file and hanapin po natin yung na-save po natin, which is this one. Just open it. And then ayun po. Dalawa po yan kasi ko na po yan. Meron na po ako kaninang na-save. And ayun po, i-try po natin siyang i-debug. Yan po, debug. Itong pong debug niya is there's 3 I think, or step over F6 and step into and step out. Yan po yung mga ng debug. Pinitin natin. Ayun, magbababa po siya, and yan, parang mag-focus lang siya dyan, and step out, pupunta po siya dito. Assistant. Analyzing Yun, may nagpakita po. The code in SmiCab looks good. If it's not working as it should, then consider using general debugging techniques. So, ayun po. And try po natin pindutin tong stop para mag-restart po. Para ma-stop po yung ano. And ayun po. Ito pong assistant, tulong niya po is to show the alternative errors, yung mga errors po natin, and some kind of yung mga po natin dito na mga mali na natin na ilagay. Basta mayroon po siyang dito po magpapakita. Try to discover it also. So ayun po. Meron po, yan po yung mga functions ng anong tawag dito, Tony. Tony. And Python. Yun lang po. So, ayun. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all understand what step by step in Tony and how to install it. I hope you understand all, and thank you and God bless. Thank you po, sir. Bye.